Yale alarm systems often trigger false alarms due to sensor issues, fault zones, low batteries, or hub malfunctions. First, use the Yale Home app with AI-driven diagnostics to identify the problematic sensor or zone. For sensor issues, clean the sensors, ensure proper alignment, and remove any obstructions. Battery problems are common. Replace lithium-ion batteries, which typically last 1 to 2 years when low. Hub malfunctions can be fixed with resets. A soft reset by powering down for 30 seconds, or a factory reset by holding the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. Always verify system status via the app. If battery drain persists, check if your hub is part of the 2025 recall. For persistent issues, consider advanced troubleshooting. Yale alarms operate on a wireless mesh network, so interference from microwaves or Wi-Fi routers can cause problems. Try relocating the hub or sensors to minimize interference. Integrate your Yale system with smart home platforms like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant for voice-controlled resets. Keep your system updated with the latest firmware to benefit from improved sensor calibration and bug fixes. AI integration is a growing trend. Newer Yale alarms use machine learning to differentiate between pets and intruders, reducing false alarms. Regularly clean and maintain your sensors. Experts recommend quarterly checks to prevent issues. If problems persist, contact Yale support, noting that AI chatbots now handle most queries. Addressing cybersecurity is crucial. Enable two-factor authentication to protect against hacks. As a case study example, a homeowner resolved nightly false alarms from a door sensor by recalibrating the sensor via Yale's tutorial after the app flagged a fault zone. A UK property with 50 sensors solved battery depletion issues post-update with a hub reset and firmware patch. Proactive maintenance and a keen eye on security will minimize false alarms and keep your Yale system running smoothly.